Today's the day to go to the mart to make spaghetti I like to eat. I bought the necessary ingredients: tomatoes, pasta, meat. But these are not all, because there are so many temptations at the mart to make impulse purchases. Delicious snack corners, foods on sale, and food that you think you might need later. In this way, most people buy more than they need at the mart, fooling themselves. And when cooking is done, many ingredients are left over or not used. If you fail to do something on it, you keep them forever or end up throwing away. In this way, the amount of food never eaten and dumped is about 2.5 billion tons a year, and it emits 10%, 440 million tons of greenhouse gases. Then, isn't there any way to utilize the purchased materials without throwing them away? So we came up with an idea. Delicious idea. Yummy receipt. As soon as you pay, a receipt notification pops up on your mobile. And through the Yummy Receipt button, you can easily check some of the randomly connected recipes using the ingredients you shopped. It's simple, right? Want to see more recipes? A button in the middle is ready for you. You can try many more different dishes with the same set of ingredients. And if you like it, you can check or leave a review. That's not all. Using the search engine service, you can check out other people's various recipes and share your own special recipes. In turn, your participation turns into mileage points as rewards. The more people use the Yummy Recipe, the more different and unique recipes from around the world will be recommended to you. For cooking that makes everyone happy. Delicious idea, yummy receipt. E-Mart.